Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the invitation to present here at the World Symposium. My topic today is on implant restorations and can we leave castings behind? My name is Christopher Evans. I'm a prosthodontist from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. I'm in full-time specialist practice. We have largely an implant-based and reconstructive practice where most of our restorations are CAD/CAM fabricated using a digital workflow. When I first started with implant dentistry back in the mid-1990s, there has been a significant change in both the world itself and digital technology from that time, and that has followed through into implant dentistry. At that stage, internet speed was very, very low at only 20 odd kilobits per second. Apple had a very low penetration of the market space of around 7%. There was no Google.com. The Olympics were held in Atlanta in 1996 and about 45 million people were using the internet at that point in time. Clinical practice associated with implants that I was involved with was also quite simple. We didn't have cone beam CT scan technology. We had a single implant type with only 2 abutment choices, and all of our restorations were porcelain fused metal reconstructions. Today, my clinical practice is vastly different to what we saw 20 years previously, where we now use cone beam CT scans with digital treatment planning technologies. We use intraoral scannings for most of our implant restorations, particularly of single unit variety, and many of our implant restorations are computer milled restorations. For the presentation this morning, what I wish to cover off in is 4 points. Why would one change in their philosophy from using conventional-based implant restorations? I'd then like to consider 3 aspects of a predictable implant restoration design.